Erica?
You're early.
I have something I want to ask you.
You're not getting a raise until you learn how to pronounce the words creme brulee without embarrassing us.
No, it's not that. We probably heard about those glasses I broke earlier.
Glasses and plates.
It was an accident.
It always is with you.
Well, they're not going to come out of my paycheck, are they?
They might. But I do accept alternate forms of payment.
Like what?
Like the shirt off your back, for instance. Go on. That too.
Is that enough?
Those pants look expensive. Gucci?
Will that be it?
Felix. Briefs! I told you to wear the white boxers.
Well, it's laundry day, and I didn't think I'd have them on for that long.
When I tell you to do something, I want it done exactly. I don't like surprises. Now pick it up the line about the pants.
Will that be it?
I think so. Now why don't you come over here and give it to me?
Wait, what? Someone's here.
Don't be ridiculous.
No. I'm serious. I can hear someone.
God, Felix, why do you always have to go off book during my fantasies?
Off book? What do you.
No wonder you're an aspiring actor.
Where do you think you're going?
Well, if somebody's here, I better find out who it is.
What are you doing here?
I was just about to ask you the same thing.
Have you seen my other shoe?
Not now, Felix. The adults are talking.
But I gotta find my other shoe.
Go home, Felix.
My shoe.
Hop.